Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Netflix tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you how to simply change your payment card or payment method in your Netflix subscription account. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your browser, and then you want to make sure you come to the address bar right here and type in Netflix and hit enter. And the next thing you want to do is click on the first result right here, netflix.com. And it's going to take you to this particular page right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and navigate to sign in right here. And then go ahead and enter the email address of the Netflix account. I'm going to go ahead and enter email address right here. Just like so. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and hit on continue. And a code will be sent to the email address. Go ahead and get the code. So here we go. So here's the code right here. I will simply highlight. I will press Ctrl C to copy. I will come back to Netflix. Click on here and press Ctrl V to paste the code. And boom, you will be successfully logged into your Netflix account on PC. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and then click on the profile icon right here. And then go ahead and click on account. And then you are here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on membership right here. And then scroll down right here, go ahead and click on payment method. And here we go. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on change payment method. Just like so. The next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on here. Choose the card you want to use. You can either use MasterCard or Visa card or Paku. Enter the card number, the expire date on the card, the CVV at the back of the card, and the card name on the card. Once you are done, hit on agree, and save the card. It's that simple, and your new payment method is going to be complete. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use Netflix, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.